Hey, it's us again. My name's Eric, and welcome to day 2 of W.I.O.T.A.K.A.A card openings, which stands for Wife is out of town and the kids are asleep. Today's day 2, and yesterday I think I recorded 3 videos, and we'll see how many we end up doing today. But opening that Contenders Blaster was so much fun that I figured I want to open one more today. And so, if this is your first time with us, and even if it's not, do take a moment and like that video, click that subscribe button, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And without further ado, let's open this up. And so, if you didn't catch the first one, go give it a watch. I got my first numbered card, which is pretty sweet. Got my first patch memorabilia card from my favorite team, the Raptors. So you have to go check that out and see who it is. Pull these packs out. Set them right there. Put this box back together. Set that off to the side here. Alright. So, 5 packs, 8 cards each. Last time we didn't get our patch card until the last pack. Let's see what happens today. Alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, starting up with a Luka. Patty Mills, Kevin Love, Jamal Murray, Mitchell Robinson, R.J. Barrett, Devin Booker, and James Wiseman. Pretty nice way to round out that first pack there. See if we get some LaMelos today, or Anthony Edwards, or Halliburton. That would be pretty sweet. Alright. Starting off with Bradley Beal. Ja. Lonzo. Maybe his brother will be here as well. Anthony Davis, James Harden, Bam, Eric Bledsoe, and Tyrese Maxey. All right. Oh, with the red foil. Sweet. Pack number 3. Jaren Jackson Jr., Trae Young, John Collins, Kemba Walker, Jared Culver, Freddie. Oh, and here it is. Trey Jones, rookie patch. And, ooh, international ticket, Luka Doncic. Two more to go. Brandon Ingram, Blake Griffin, Terry Rozier, C.J. McCollum, Christian Wood, Kelly Oubre, Seth, and Game Night, Joel Embiid. Alright, last pack. Hopefully there's some good stuff to end on a high note here. Damian Lillard. SGA. Vucevic. Donovan Mitchell. Andre Drummond. Goran Dragic. Red foil, Russell Westbrook, and red foil, Carrie Irving. Alright, so I'm going to take a moment, we'll go through the cards again, make sure I didn't miss anything, because I missed a number card last time. But I'll pick my highlights for the video and we'll wrap it up from there. Alright, so I've gone back, looked through some stuff, sleeved some cards up, and picked my highlights of the night. So I've gone with the Trey Jones patch card, rookie. Learned a little trick from Pac-Man where he makes a little slit in the side of the sleeve there so that it slides in easier. So thank you for that, Pac-Man. And can't go wrong with Luka. He is just a phenomenal player, and hopefully keeps it up for the rest of his career, stays healthy. So yeah, nothing too crazy from this box, but it's always fun just to open some cards. So thanks for joining us. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and take a moment to subscribe, comment, let me know if I missed anything, and as always, take care, and hopefully see you next time.